Heavy flooding in Boulder right now at the intersection of Mohawk and Aurora. This is Bear Creek, a mild, small little creek that goes through part of East Boulder, and it's completely over its banks and onto the bike path. And we have people standing around watching it instead of being at higher ground. And then we have an intersection over here that's flooded, and people are either trying to go through or turning around. We've got buses trying to make their way through as well. And we'll watch this car go through right now. As you can see, the water's pretty high. Now let's see what this bus tries to do. And we don't know if these people here are waiting for the bus or just watching. Looks like the bus is gonna just sit there. Maybe those people are waiting for the bus. But it doesn't look like anybody's getting into the bus because there's a huge pool of water between them and the bus. Looks like we're kind of at a standstill here at this intersection. Here we go. See if the bus makes it through. It should. Well, my feeling is if it's going to be there, it should go, because it's only creating more hazard the longer it stays there. Now this truck will go through. And this is from a relatively safe area of Boulder. We'll cut it here.